In the last few blocks, you can't help wondering, am I being followed? Oh no, your worst fear has just been confirmed. Here's how to survive a car chase. Celebrities aren't the only people dealing with stalkers and followers. This could very easily happen to you. An ex-lover, a stranger with road rage, or even a crazed stalker could be approaching on your tail. How can eye contact help you get out of this situation? Can traffic work in your favor? And should you speed up to get away? Well, the situation is about to get real. So if you want to survive, buckle up and follow these steps. Step 1. Confirm you're being followed. Does the car behind you look familiar? Have you seen it before? According to ex-CIA officer Jason Hansen, seeing the same person one time is an accident. Seeing the same person twice is a coincidence. Seeing the same person 3 times is an enemy action. He adds that often, you'll intuitively know when something is wrong, so listen to your gut feeling. Turn left, turn right, or whatever direction you can. If the car is still behind you, you're likely being followed. If you're on the freeway, get off and then immediately get back on. You're probably being followed if the other vehicle is still with you. You can also try switching lanes or slowing down to a safe speed and allow the cars around you to pass you. If the suspected car is still behind you, you're almost definitely being followed. If you're on a highway such as country back roads, you can still make multiple turns depending on where you are. Or you can pull over and let the car pass you. If you do this, make sure you lock your doors in case the other car's driver tries to get to you. This is also not a good time to go to your destination. It could give your follower more information about where they could find you if they decide to give up and try another day. It would be best to keep driving until the person chasing you loses interest or until you have police assistance. Step 2. Let them know you know. Now that you are sure you're being followed, it's important to let your tail know you're onto them. Rather than stopping and confronting the person, maintain your speed. Take note of their license plate or the type of vehicle in case this escalates, and you have to call the police. If they get close enough, make sure they see you make eye contact. This alone could scare them off. You do not want to confront whoever is chasing you because they could be armed and dangerous. Step 3. Stay in traffic. Even if you're alone, take comfort from the strength in numbers. And those numbers will be the cars around you. You'll want to be in an area where there are rarely any stops. Try to keep with the flow of traffic. No slower or faster. A freeway or major highway will be your best option. As long as you keep moving, your follower will have fewer chances to get to you. Don't try to outrun your tail by picking up speed, and high-speed car chases usually don't end well, mainly because uncontrollable traffic situations and poor driving skills. In short, speed kills. According to a 9-year study that ended in 2002, police car chases caused 3,146 fatalities in the U.S. What's even more unfortunate is the study found that 1,088 of the deaths happened to innocent bystanders. Step 4. Get out of sight. Without driving at dangerously high speeds, try weaving through traffic. And use larger vehicles like big trucks as a visual barrier between you and your tail. If you can, tuck in front of a large truck and then exit quickly onto a different road. Your tail could completely miss your turn and lose you. Step 5. Shoot the gap. This term means making a quick left turn before yielding to oncoming traffic as the light changes from red to green. Keep in mind that this only works if there is no advanced green light for left turns. This causes your tail to get trapped behind oncoming traffic, and it's likely a move they won't even suspect you'll make because it's pretty risky and rare. If you are successful and you're able to put cars between you and your tail, get off the road right away. Step 6. Call the police. Keep an eye on your tail, call 911, and let them know the situation and your location. Hopefully during this whole ordeal, you were able to remember your tail's license plate number and give the police as many details as possible. It's all about staying calm and being smart rather than recklessly trying to outrun your tail, because the last thing you want is to end up in a serious car crash. But if you do, don't worry, we've got the perfect video to help you survive that. To be prepared and stay alive, keep watching How to Survive.